Hi friends, welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo, Japanese everyday food. Today I will be making plum jam. Some of you questioned me what happened to the used green plum of the last video. And the answer is this. You can make a jam of plum of its own, but I want it to be more special. I add raisin for the natural sweetness and walnuts for the crunch. Let's get started. The plums, dark in color, is taken out from the plum wine, and the shrinked plum are taken out from the syrup. Put them in a pot and add water half an inch from the bottom. Turn on the heat and simmer for 10 minutes with the lid. After 10 minutes, it should look like this. The flesh is soft to touch and almost fall off from the stone. Leave it until it comes to room temperature. Crush with your hand and discard the stone. It looks very primitive, but I found this is the most efficient way to correct the flesh as much as you can. Apricot or other stone fruits can be done in this way as well. Taste it before adding sugar. It tastes almost okay, but I want it to be just a little bit sweeter. I decided to add 20% of the amount of total weight. A small amount of sugar makes it even better. Add more or less sugar to your liking. Bring it to a boil and stir until your sugar dissolves. Add raisin and roasted walnuts and turn the heat off. While the jam is still hot, transfer to a sterilized jar if you want to keep it longer on your pantry. Seal tightly and place it upside down. Leave it until it comes to room temperature. This step will remove the air inside and it creates a vacuum effect. If you are not going to keep it long, transfer to a clean jar and keep it in the fridge. Here is how I enjoy the jam. Put cream cheese onto your favorite cracker and spoon your plum jam over it. This is my favorite snack. You can serve them as an appetizer at your home party as well. I like the best is on toast. My plum jam makes your daily toast special. Today I made a small batch of jam. You can double or triple the recipe. Here is a tip to make a gift. Cover with a piece of paper and rubber band. Tie a bow if you have on your hand. Put a sticker to show what's inside. How pretty is that? Your friend will please with your handmade jam. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up if you like my video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Go to my website for more information and follow me on social media for the daily update. And my store on Amazon is open 24/7, so go and check the list of what I'm using in the video. All the link is in the description box below. Thanks again and I'll catch you in a week. Bye!